Hi, I'm Ken Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today we're going to be talking about the BOSS cold front technology. The major improvement with cold front is the connector. So those of you that have used BOSS plows before remember that there was kind of like a 13-pin harness that had a lot of little pins in it, and then separately there'd be a power cord that you need to plug in two different pieces. So there was a lot of breakage and kind of mess, and they've improved that with a single point connection. So all your power, ground, and light harness is built in to one connection. So it's just a plug, snap, and go. So the same quality of BOSS plow that you're used to, much improved, especially improved in installation where you're only running one wire and a single point connection. Another nice feature of this is you can tie this technology into the new BOSS VBX Plus spreader. So tying that in allows you to have, you'll still have a controller on the spreader to adjust the rate and flow, but you'll be able to toggle off your plow controller to be able to toggle the power from the plow to the spreader. So really nice feature, so you're not juggling two things at once. So you can check more out at weingartz.com. Stop by and talk to your sales rep about this exciting new technology. We're really excited about it, about the future of this, and hope to see you next week.